Hello everyone and welcome to the new episode of our podcast, The Desi Banter. I'm here with Nirmal and Lynette.
We are back.
We are back after a long
Back
break.
with a bang.
First of all, we have changed the format a little bit. The earlier episodes were where I would ask them questions and they would react to it, and that's how our conversation would start. But from now on, we are going to try something new where our esteemed guests have prepared for the topics. You know, like I've given them bullet points, they've studied about it, and then they'll debate, they will discuss, and let's see who comes out on top. Let's start first with Nirmal, especially because everybody should know about Nirmal's food habits.
इंडिया में तो I used to be Jain for 20 years. उसके बाद मैंने वो इंसिडेंट बताया था ना कि I would starve to death. तो मैंने वो वड़ा पाव चालू किया.
हाँ.
US में आके भी मेरा starting के first 6 months were very tough because again cooking इतना किया था लेकिन first time करना रहता है तो वो problem हो गया था. Then I started cooking जैसे तैसे and then I would go to Burger King और वहाँ पे वो 3 पैटी तो मिलता नहीं था, वेज पैटी.
तो क्या lettuce tomato?
नहीं, lettuce tomato and all that.
क्या बनाते थे तुम लोग? Like what was the first thing that you cooked after coming to US?
मैंने दाल बनाया था और वेजिटेबल बनाया था. बट इंडिया से थेपला लेके आया था 5 किलो.
वो तो सब लेके आए.
5 किलो?
उसके बाद as started earning and all, the food habits evolved. I started trying different things. So US में definitely now I think I'm very much comfortable trying all different kinds of food, like different cuisines. क्योंकि हर एक cuisine में कुछ ना कुछ options मिल जाता है.
हाँ. अभी तो बहुत ही evolve हो गया. अभी तो vegetarian.
What do you think? What is different about Indian food habits compared to American food habits? What have you seen different?
Actually, Indian food habits, मतलब I तो feel most of the families, I know Jainism is a little different, so you might not relate to this.
Hindu is also different. Yeah.
No. I'm talking about eating habit. Jainism में you all eat before sunset.
ऐसा वो तो religious लोग रहते हैं. सब लोग थोड़ी.
Oh, you didn't do that.
Oh, you didn't do that.
20 years. पागल है क्या? तो मैं ऐसा मतलब मैं साधु ही बन जाता.
Okay. I thought you used to drink before sunset.
ये research के मेरे को पूछना चाहिए था.
No.
This is a very Hindu-phobic comment. So.
Hey, no, not Hindu-phobic. I'm just saying, नहीं, because हम लोग क्या इंडिया में 9-10
Islam is anti-national.
ये कमल लेके
9-10 बजे हम लोग खाना खाते थे डिनर.
हम लोग का भी सेम था.
ओके, आई थॉट कि तेरा डिफरेंट होगा. बट अमेरिका में आके एक तो मुझे पहले ऐसा लगा था अमेरिका में सब लोग मस्त अच्छा खाते रहेंगे, फिट रहते रहेंगे ये लोग. बट देन आई रियलाइज्ड कि सिटीज में पीपल आर फिट, दे आर कॉन्शियस, बट everywhere else so much junk food they eat. Like I think India is much better, and growing up we were much better in what we ate than this American people.
Food, correct, because India mein, I mean, the concept of staple food, eating at home and
Yeah.
is more prevalent, right?
And American people, American companies are only like mostly junk food, McDonald's bowl, Domino's bowl. They went all around the world, yes now.
वो लोग ही create करेंगे. They will make sure that people fall sick, people fall ill.
They make everybody fat.
Pharmaceutical.
That's why all over the world, American people are only, especially in Europe and all, they think Americans are fat. Like they only eat junk food and like
और
they are
अमेरिका
fat.
का जो जनरली खाना भी हम खाते हैं, like any kind of food that you eat, right?
Processed.
Everything like chemicals, fertilizers, अपने को लगता है organic का कभी actually naturally grown का कभी ज्यादा पैसा होना ही नहीं चाहिए. If you think about it, because that is how the world was 30-40 years ago.
मुझे एक ही complain है, like not complain, but India में like growing up we used to eat food very late. I feel because we would eat food by 10-11 and then go to sleep at 12. So there's no time for digestion. We were kids, so इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ा. But here आके थोड़ा we started eating early, like 7-8, and you have enough time to digest or to do
before you go to sleep.
Yeah. So I think that is one
that's
good
the
thing.
reason why I asked him कि it's not religious reason,
So that is
but concept of Jainism where you all eat before sunset.
So so there are few concepts in Jainism that I really like appreciate after I came to US. क्योंकि Jainism में ऐसे ही बोलते हैं कि तुम sunset पहले खा लो, some religious reason. But उसके बाद when you came here, this generally there was an awareness कि यार जल्दी in general खा लेना चाहिए.
Yeah.
Jainism में also they say that try to have boiling water every day. But boiling water just generally is a good concept.
Boiling hot water.
No, boiling मतलब ये after you
Basically
boil
boiled water. It kills all the germs, right?
I think one of the bad habits of eating late is acid reflux, GERD, People
Yeah.
burping really loudly.
Oh, I was about to point that out.
God.
We eat a lot of
But
spicy
as you
food.
said, right, because we are kids, so अपने को इतना effect नहीं हुआ, but older people when they eat late, maybe it like affects their whole digestive system.
Yeah.
अभी इसके पेरेंट्स 10 बजे खाते हैं. मैं थोड़ा शॉक्ड हो गया था जब मैं इंडिया गया था.
नहीं, अभी इंडिया का पूरा अपना कल्चर ही ऐसे हो गया है कि लेट डिनर,
लेट पहले से ही था.
स्नैक्स खाते हैं पहले शाम को, तो फिर जल्दी कैसे
कौन
होगा?
स्नैक्स खाता है?
चाय के साथ स्नैक्स मतलब वो 4 बजे बिस्किट रहता
4
है.
या 5 बजे
Some
तुम
people
खाओगे.
even have tea at like 6 or
Yeah.
7.
मेरे डैड तो अभी आधे घंटे में टी पीते हैं. उसको टी के बिना चलता
और
नहीं
उसके
है.
बाद
धक्का
फिर
मारते
लेट
हैं.
जाएंगे.
हकार मारते हैं, एसिड रिफ्लेक्स सब कुछ.
कोकेन भी करते हैं. There have been a lot of new diets that have come up, you know. So, Lynette, anything you want to add?
कीटो है, वीगन है,
फ्लेक्सिटेरियन भी है, काफी सारे
हाँ,
रिसर्च करने के टाइम
बिस्किटेरियन भी है.
फ्लेक्सिटेरियन.
What is flexitarian?
Just focus on eating veggies and nothing else.
No, flexitarian is you're flexible. You eat more vegetable, but you can eat like meat and everything.
पढ़ के
once in a
आई है.
while.
Right.
Flexitarian.
That is the con. Because flexitarian focuses so much on the vegetables, there are
Yeah.
some important protein components that you don't get from the vegetables. Because of that, it's called flexitarian.
So what is the
No,
difference
you-
between vegetarian and flexitarian?
The vegetarian, you are open to eating pretty much, but the flexitarian, when there are restricted kind of vegetables that you have to focus on. I don't know कि कौन से type, but every type actually restricts a certain kind of food items, either low carb, high fat, something like that.
Okay, that will be needed a fact check later.
Because I thought flexitarian was you eat more vegetables, but once in a while you can have meat and fish and all. So it's like that, like combination,
So
but
the non-vegetarian हो
less
गया.
but eat less meat. You're not eating non-veg every day, basically.
अरे but
We eat non-veg every day.
We eat, but what I'm saying is, I'm not talking about myself. I'm not talking about
Flexitarian.
what is
Chicken
flexitarian.
thigh, like that.
जो मैंने सुना था, I need to be fact check.
What she's saying is right.
Oh, what you said is right. So you
Yeah,
are on
be
the top then.
flexible and incorporate meat and animal products from time to time.
From time to time.
He
Bullshit.
just gives a bullshit with serious face and you're like,
I
"Oh,
said the
Because
word
what he
flexitarian.
does, you know, when he does his research, he reads the first sentence. That's
मैं
it.
समझ गया. What is pescatarian, by the way?
Pescatarian is fish diet. Only eat fish, no meat or anything. You can
No
eat
meat
fish
and-
and vegetables.
Oh, and chawal and fish and all
No meat or
No
chicken.
that. A lot of athletes, like I've seen footballers and I think Virat Kohli also, no? Some of them, I don't know, they are vegan or what, but they don't want to consume a lot of red meat because it makes them lethargic. उनका
Yeah.
recovery में
Yeah.
ज़्यादा time लगता है because the acid.
और थोड़ा inflammation भी बढ़ता है
Yes,
उसकी
yes,
वजह से. That's
yes.
why they don't eat and it makes you lethargic. That is true. I mean हम लोग खुद भी बोलो when we eat a lot of meat dishes or have like say अपन
सुसेगा.
we ourselves feel like very lethargic and tired. So
We ourselves not.
आज तूने बहुत खाया है ना. ये
नहीं,
podcast के बाद
only
बहुत-
one
That है,
person.
that is
Only
that.
one person feels lethargic. That is Lynette.
So Tom Brady का was reading
Who's
his
Tom
diet.
Brady?
Tom Brady is American football player. He is 43 years old, but apparently his body is like a 32 or 33 year old. So like 10 years younger. So उसमें because of this diet, your cells, your body cells basically stay younger.
Yeah.
They don't grow old.
Yeah.
तो उसके diet में he eats no sugar, no refined flour, nothing, only whole grains and nuts, seeds, वो सब he eats. Then he eats lot of vegetables and fruit. He doesn't eat peppers, eggplant, tomatoes, other vegetables. I think spinach and
Where
all
did
that
he
he
get
can.
carbohydrates from?
Grains he has, na?
Grains
Full
from-
grains, whole grains he has. Mostly vegetarian he eats. Once in a while he will eat meat, but that also meat is like really, really organic, farm raised. And apparently he has his own garden, like a big vegetable garden. तो उसका खुद का homegrown he. One more thing, you have to eat only up to your 75% full. That is like the key
वो
to
तो
say.
actually everybody should do that.
Yeah, and it is a Japanese tradition also. ये मैंने Japanese eating tradition का भी
Actually,
पढ़ा था.
Origami it's called.
Okay now.
Chal be.
Origami is that craft.
Like he said, yes.
Actually, we should touch upon that a little bit as to like when I was actually reading about कि healthy lifestyle का एक बात कर रहे हैं. Every country has their own healthy lifestyle. लेकिन जापान में एक country है जहाँ पे उनका जो पोषण है, there were a couple of factors that help. तो यहाँ पर जैसे जिस जनरली बोलते हैं ना food habits के बारे में, to live healthy lifestyle, you need whatever like तुम follow कर रहे हो, but you also need to be surrounded by a community that doesn't give you a lot of stress. And because of that, your life expectancy is actually on an average like 85 years and 90 years and above.
But I tried to do the vegan diet once upon a time.
She did it for one day.
Yeah, but I don't, मेरे को लगता है डाइट वाइट और जो जनरली है वो अभी अवेयरनेस के लिए अच्छा है. It kind of works अगर किसी को, if somebody is, you know, maybe in the entertainment industry.
Yeah.
But otherwise, the diet that you try out, any kind of diet, even if you try out gym, unless you are consistent to keep that, to cope up with that, you will regain your weight whatever you've lost.
Yeah, most
So there is
important
no
is
point.
yeah. Most
And you
important
can't
is
go
healthy
vegan.
diet. Yeah.
You can't go vegan all the time. You can't go.
Some
keto all
people
the
do,
time.
right?
No,
Some
you
people
can
might
go
go
vegan
forever.
all the time.
These
कोई
things
problem
forever.
नहीं है
No,
उसमें.
so then there will be variation कि vegan अगर है तो उसके साथ तुम थोड़े dairy products भी खाओ.
नहीं डेयरी तो नहीं खाते. They
I
get
know
their
they
supplements.
don't.
Yeah.
But then वो supplements भी तो अच्छा नहीं है ना.
अच्छा, अपना country is very very vegetarian. So why do you think?
So-
Come on, it's
I mean,
majority.
Yeah,
vegetarian.
majority vegetarian.
60 or 70% is vegetarian. Like recently.
30% vegetarian.
देखा?
Oh,
मैं-
fact check
मुझको पता है
Ryan.
कि
अरे नहीं, ये 2007 का था वो. मैंने देखा था.
ये 2019 का है. 38% of India is vegetarian.
Vegetarian. Oh.
What is the good part and bad part about Indian food, like India का खाना? There'll be something bad because you know इतना चावल खाते, इतना रोटी खाते, और majority of the people का तोन निकल जाता है because of that, you know, and they eat a lot of quantity also, like you know.
ठीक है. टोन निकलता है. That is because of they are unfit. They
Yeah.
don't work out.
It's a combination of both.
No, but if
No, a
you-
lot of Asian
if-
people in general, Asia in general,
Yeah, you're right. You're
eat
right. Yeah.
a lot of carbs.
Yeah, but they are active, very active.
Hmm.
अपने वाले जो है वो अपना इतना.
ये भी genetic भी होगा हमारे country
नहीं
में.
नहीं, but I'll tell you something. Many years ago, अपने grandparents को ही ले ले.
Hmm.
They also used to eat lot of rice, but they used to work in the
In the
field
field
like
and
crazy.
stuff.
They used to get all the time on their feet, work this that, तो automatically उनका पूरा burn off हो जाता था. Then came
Not necessarily.
interested when तो उसमें then people started going to the office and working. बट उनका डाइट सेम रहा. राइस और वो सब लोग खाते रहे. उन्होंने अप्रोप्रिएटली चेंज नहीं किया, तो ऑटोमेटिकली इट केप्ट पुटिंग ऑन वेट एंड
Yeah, she's right. Sedentary lifestyle is a big factor in that, and because everybody's
Also-
staying in flats and all that, they don't have to go for walk after eating and
But
all that.
also,
Elevator, cars, buses,
हाँ,
trains.
but also
everything.
क्योंकि इंडिया में हर एक but तूने जो जैसे राइस का बोला, that is only one specific region, like जैसे साउथ में खाते हैं.
No.
No, बिरयानी हर जगह खाते हैं.
I know, but I'm talking about the states
नॉर्थ
of
में
food that
रोटी
are
खाएंगे
शुरू हो
ज्यादा.
गया.
रोटी
North
रोटी
Indian,
पराठा
South Indian
पूरी
शुरू हो गया.
खाएंगे.
रोटी
We're
पराठा
talking
पूरी-
carbs. We're talking
Yeah.
carbs in
Yes,
that.
but carbs.
But I
में
said
वो-
rice, so it's pointing.
I'm saying specifically जब जैसे हम लोग का जो हिंदू लोग का जो staple food रहता है उसमें there is dal, there is chawal, there is roti and then there is vegetable. If you are eating rice in that portion, that is fine. If you just eat rice and if you have a sedentary lifestyle, तो तेरा carbs का-
Nobody just eats rice. They also eat dal and sabji with it.
No, but
और
देखा लगा हम
curry
लोग
fish,
हम लोग
curry
ऐसे लेके चावल खाते रहते हैं.
साउथ इंडिया में तुम बोलो they don't only eat rice. They have
So many
they also
vegetables.
eat vegetables, they eat dosas, they
Fish.
eat all that stuff.
I
यार.
वो सब rice में carbs ही है ना.
तो नॉर्थ इंडिया में भी सेम ही होगा ना. पूरी खाएंगे, पराठा खाएंगे, रोटी खाएंगे. That is also carbs only, right?
Main
So-
factor is basically people just generally need to work out more. जो अभी लोग workout कर रहे हैं वो खाली काफी youngsters लोग जो है वो are influenced by what Bollywood does. But the culture of like you know being fit and all वो थोड़ा important.
थोड़ा older people को भी होना चाहिए. I just wish there was somebody who would make weekly videos for those older people. Everybody wants to become like a Hrithik Roshan or Salman Khan, and तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि ये लोग जो है ये बहुत सारे प्रोटीन्स, विटामिन्स ये सब के एड्स करते हैं, you know, at the same time वो लोग जंक ड्रिंक्स का भी ऐड करते हैं. So you know, how should people make up their mind? You know, follow the celebrities or study or do what?
Yeah, I तो think they do it for, of course, money. जहाँ से भी उनको sponsorship मिल रहा है. तो they don't have any specific thing on their mind कि अरे हमको देख के इतने लोग. Of course उनको पता है कि लोग influence होंगे, but they don't really care because basically they're getting money out of it. So people should think better for themselves. अगर कोई कोक का ऐड कर रहा है, पेप्सी का ऐड कर रहा है या 7-Up का ऐड कर रहा है, जो भी है, you should know कि उसमें कितना शुगर होता है and those drinks are not good for you.
I mean there should be some way of somebody should take it up to tell people like you know through YouTube and all कि मतलब ये जो है तुम्हारा चल रहा है ये गलत है उसको फॉलो मत करो. तुमको अपना रिसर्च करना है तो ये देखो because again people don't have the awareness कि किसी को देखना चाहिए शुगर कंटेंट कितना है unless you tell somebody in India. सबका अटेंशन स्पैन बहुत ही कम है. जैसे मैंने रिसर्च किया टाइटल देख के वैसे वाला अटेंशन स्पैन सब.
Yeah, actually nobody looks at the labels.
I feel अगर लोगों को ये फॉलो करने से अच्छा है ना अपने घर वालों को मतलब elders को पूछो how they used to live their life
Yeah.
just generally and you stick to those tips.
Hmm.
ज़्यादा एक्स्ट्रा करने का जरूरत नहीं है. Internet is there. और use
Yeah,
करो.
he's right. I think पहले लोग बहुत follow करते थे, but with Netflix and YouTube and all that have come, there are a lot of documentaries that have come which exposes all these. You know, like
Sorry.
there was that Super Size Me, जो junk food के बारे में they had exposed everything. And recently we had watched Seaspiracy, right?
Seaspiracy.
Seaspiracy was about how fish को लोग, you know, they hunt them down and you know how they kill them just to make profits. तो वो सबसे it opens up a lot of
Yeah, it opens your mind कि you know at least how things basically what you're eating कहाँ से आता है. बीच में वो Costco का भी controversy हुआ था, remember that, कि they used to sell those rotisserie chickens for like so cheap.
199 or 299.
हाँ, 199 or 299. तो people are buying and eating. Nobody's thinking कि अरे how are they affording to give
and it
a
also
full
But
chicken?
it's the
never
same
possible.
thing as like you know जब तुम junk food खाते हो
हाँ,
तो लोग इतना सोचते नहीं क्योंकि $1 $2 में उनको चिकन मिलता है.
but मिल
$1
कैसे रहा है
बहुत है.
उनको? But that they don't see क्यों आ कैसे रहा है? तो वो those
कभी-कभार
chickens
लोगों
were
को
like
पता है.
packed in one cage and like कुछ नहीं उनको खाना वाना.
Basically वो
मरे हुए चिकन वो
पर
लोग
उसका
वो करके
वीडियो कभी बाहर आएगा नहीं और उसका अगर वीडियो आएगा अगर बाहर तो भी
वो-
लोगों को एक्सेसिबिलिटी मिलेगा नहीं.
leaked video होना चाहिए.
And then the other thing is कि you know people of a certain
I think people know
हाँ,
this is the
I was just
only
going-
way a rotisserie chicken would be costing 299.
Yeah.
लोगों को पता रहता है लेकिन they're like ठीक है अभी हमको खाना है. सेम थिंग विद जंक फूड. अगर कोई होमलेस या अगर कोई मतलब बिलो द पॉवर्टी लाइन वाला आदमी बोलेगा मेरे को खाना $1 का बर्गर, मुझे पता है इतना ऑयल है इसमें, इट इज प्रोसेस, इट इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी हार्मफुल फॉर माय बॉडी, बट जस्ट पेट भरने के लिए वो स्पेंड करेगा.
तो I तो feel even bad for like now kids growing up
Yeah, they
because
all want burgers.
They want burgers, fries, pizzas.
अपना भी जो अभी the dosa that they serve there, like there is so much cheese on that, like in the
That is
chili
all
dosa.
street food of India.
But that is basically like a burger.
अरे
it,
यार,
it has
have
bread,
you
it has
seen?
cheese, and it has something
Hey,
inside.
Ryan, that breadcraft thing that you like, that Frankie that you
I
like,
liked.
you
Frankie.
love it, you still love it.
But-
And I will go once in 3 years.
It
एक बार का खाना
has
बनता
oil
है.
dripping on your hand and filled with cheese. And I was like, कि हमने खाया, it is very tasty.
Oil doesn't
Very
drip on your
tasty.
hand. When you bite into it, the oil drips out and it falls on your
Yeah.
hand.
Same thing.
You know, it's like when you're holding it नहीं होता है. जब तुम
But-
bite करते हो तभी उसका
but
oil
regardless, the thing is,
So oily.
no, but the thing is that you know you and him when you tried and all of us, that's a cheap food for us. Are you going to eat that every day? No.
No.
So it really doesn't impact like you know your
Yeah.
lifestyle या मतलब तेरा health. But जो लोग ऐसा रोज खाते हैं junk food, people who actually are unable to spend on the actual food or healthy food, उनके लिए वो problematic है.
Yeah.
One street food or one dish from India that you would kill for,
I would not kill for food.
you
but-
die for.
पानी पूरी.
Yeah, I would have pani puri.
Seriously, like
street,
so much?
Street food, yes, pani puri.
But any specific place in
No.
Bombay, like just a proper good pani puri.
हाँ.
Nirmal,
इडली. तूने बोला to die for. That is what I want. I'll keep me content.
like idli, chutney, and sambar. That's it.
Yes.
What would you eat?
What would you eat,
I
Ryan?
would actually eat the Frankie.
Frankie breadcraft?
No doubt.
That
Cheese,
oil one.
cheese chicken Frankie.
What would you have?
What will I have? I think maybe vada pav. I really like vada pav.
Score तुम लोग कर सकते हो.
हाँ.
Okay, first we start with Nirmal.
अरे यार ये तो पता ही नहीं रहेगा.
But come on.
Lamb, chicken or vegetables and a thick gravy. ये क्या है अपना बिरयानी टिक्का.
Yeah,
Correct
finally got
answer.
it. Finally
Correct
got it.
answer. 2 points for Nirmal.
So this is easy.
हाँ.
This is a steamed dumpling made of white flour with mixed meat. This is dumpling only, no?
Indian.
Indian.
Momos.
Momos.
Right,
Correct.
damn it.
तुझे लगा उसको मोमोज नहीं पता होगा?
Nirmal.
अरे इतना लंबा तुम रखते क्यों हो यार? रोगन जोश.
वाह वाह
My
वाह
God.
वाह निर्मल. Oh,
अभी
wow.
इतनी बार तुमने क्विज लिया है तो याद है
Format.
आंसर्स.
And it.
Roasted meat. Western India. Is it?
Pass. Nirmal.
एक मिनट.
I don't remember the word.
Yeah.
This is हाँ वही हरी बेबी. ये अपना
Pass, come on.
Pass.
Tick, tick, tick,
नहीं
tick,
नहीं
tick.
नहीं. This one is अपना पालक
Pick one.
पालक.
No, pass.
Sarson ka saag.
Correct answer.
And
Very
makedi
good.
roti.
Very good.
Yay.
Okay, time up. Pass.
Rasmalai.
रसमलाई जूस क्रीम. And तो मिल गए 2 पॉइंट इधर.
क्यों
This is the same thing.
ताकि तो हारे.
Thali feet only.
निर्मल इंडियन फूड के बारे में पता नहीं निर्मल
Yeah,
knows
actually
this
थाली पीठ and that is wrong, you know.
टफ है
ये इसको पता होगा यार.
या इसको पता होना चाहिए
ये तो अपना पुडला है पुडला
पुडला नहीं है ये,
पुडला ही
चीला है.
हाँ चीला है उसको पुडला ही बोलते हैं इट्स द सेम थिंग ये अपना वो है क्या पूरन पोली
Wrong.
Neer dosa.
Neer dosa, correct answer.
Yay.
अपन था वो बट स्टिल
हाँ तो अपन था
Are they all the same?
अच्छा तो
yaar.
मेरे को भी 2 पॉइंट देना तो फिर
ठीक है.
This is the only reason I'm on camera so that everyone can see that I've publicly defeated
Nirmal, correct.
And I'm the winner as usual.
तो क्या ये डालना है किधर डालना है
Lemon rock.
So in order to live a healthy lifestyle, as we talk about food, our next episode will be on fitness. Thank you everyone, take care and see you next time. Bye.
see you in some time actually
See you.